Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our fertilization process. We have completed our fertilization process in which we have discussed the what is fertilization, how many types of fertilization, and how fertilization takes place, and how a embryo convert into the fetus. Okay. Now, in today's class, we will discuss about the metamorphosis. I will also explain you two different type of animals, viviparous and oviparous animals. One animals which give egg, and another animals which give birth young ones. Okay. Now today we a most important small topic we will discuss. This is metamorphosis, which is I also explained in last class. I have told you the definition of metamorphosis. Today I will completely explain what is the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, it is a biological process. It is a biological process in which larva is convert into the adult. In which larva is convert into the adult. This process is known as metamorphosis. First metamorphosis we will discuss in the frog. We will discuss in the frog. In frog, larva convert into the adult frog. This process is known as metamorphosis. This is the life cycle of frog. This is the life cycle of frog, in which adult frog first give egg, lay down the eggs. Now these eggs convert into the early tadpole. Now early tadpole become converted into the late tadpole, in which different body parts are developed. Now late tadpole convert into the adult frog. This process is known as metamorphosis, in which larva convert into the adult frog. This process is known as metamorphosis, and this is the life cycle of frog. So in the life cycle of frog, first egg convert into the tadpole. Tadpole is also known as larva. Now larva convert into the adult. Okay. Now two hormones, one hormone are responsible for controlling metamorphosis in frog. And which hormone is responsible for controlling metamorphosis in frog? This hormone is known as thyroxine hormone, which is secreted by thyroid gland. It initiates the process of tadpole's metamorphosis into adult. Means this hormone is responsible for conversion of larva into the adult frog. If this hormone is absent, now tadpole does not transfer into the adult frog. Means your tadpole remains in tadpole stage, it not convert into the adult frog. Means this stage remains, this not convert into the adult frog if thyroxine hormone is absent. So thyroxine hormone is responsible for transformation of larva into the adult frog. So this is the life cycle of frog. Now we talk about the life cycle of silkworm. Silkworm, this is silkworm, which grow on mulberry leaves, which feed the leaves of mulberry plant, This gives the egg on mulberry leaves. This egg convert into the larva. Now this larva spin the cocoon around itself. This is the cocoon, thread-like structure, and we get silk from this cocoon. Now it convert into the adult. So this is the process of metamorphosis, in which larva convert into the adult. Okay. We get silk from this cocoon. Okay, understand? From where we get silk? We get silk from the cocoon. And what is cocoon? Larva spin cocoon around itself. We get silk from this cocoon. So this is the life cycle of silkworm. This is the another example of metamorphosis, in which larva convert into the adult stage. there are some hormones which is responsible for metamorphosis in insect. This is the example of insect. So some hormones are responsible for metamorphosis. First is prothorhocicotropic hormone, which is also known as PTTH, ecdysone hormone, and juvenile hormone, JH hormone. These three hormones are responsible for metamorphosis in insects. So in today's class we have discussed the metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? In next class we have discussed the asexual reproduction. Okay, different methods of asexual reproduction. Thank you so much.